What's up guys, my name is Cedric. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the KATO HM1 starter pack, a GP9 locomotive, and 3 rolling stock. So let's get straight into it. Alright, now that's out of the way. Yeah, let's go straight to unboxing the GP9 locomotive and the rolling stock. Let's go. So overall, I think this train is really, really cool. There's a lot of detail to this model, even though it's not decaled. Like, it doesn't have any stuff on it. You can see the water and fuel caps on the side. Yeah, and like some water gauge. And the doors and the handrails, they have some great detail to it. As you can see the doors. On the top, we have a horn. So on the sides, we have what appears to be a GPS dome of some sorts. And on the front, we have the lights, because, lights are good. On the front, we got the Andertale scuffling, which is actually very sturdy. It's very sturdy, even though I can't hit it. You can't see it, but there's also some ditch lights on the front, as well as some handlebars. On the top, we have radiator fans, and as we go along, exhausts, more radiator fans, even more exhausts, and what looks like, I have no idea what this is, radiator fan, and another GPS dome, and handlebar right next to it, and we have lights in the back and number decals.